Welcome to the Explainer. Ready to finally hit refresh on that tired brain of yours? Let's go. Seriously, do you ever wake up feeling like your mind is permanently stuck in low power mode?
Well, if you're processing calories 24/7, your neurons literally never get a chance to repair themselves.
It's exactly like having a smartphone battery that is permanently stuck at 10%. Frustrating, right?
All that constant digestion creates metabolic noise, totally blocking the pathways needed for a full cognitive charge.
But a 12-hour fasting gap triggers BDNF. It's a protein that's basically biological miracle-grow for neurons. To reset the circuit, simply finish eating by 7 p.m. and fast until 7 a.m. Super easy. The sources suggest supporting this recovery with exactly 2 milliliters of Vilobot's T8 Extra.
You know, it's polyprenols, stabilize cell membranes, so your brain's battery can finally hold a true charge.
Eating fewer calories boosts that BDNF, helping you clear the noise and wake up with high-voltage focus. Because when you stop the constant grind, you stop